Hi students, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how to fill out your Google slide deck for your East independent course of study this week. So we're all going to be doing some independent learning. Everybody's going to have a copy of this slide deck. On this main page, you're going to put your name. You just click right here in the box. You'll type your name. You'll type class period, whatever it is. And then you're going to go here to the directions. So the directions tell you to watch the video for how to. That is going to be on this slide, and this is the video that I'm making right now. That's why you can't see the video, because I'm making it. So you're going to watch the video, and it is going to tell you how to find the independent courses, what to do, how to learn or how to complete the daily record of learning. Then you're going to pick a course to start. You're going to use the remaining slides in this deck to record what you did every day. And you're going to submit your daily record of learning on Friday, January 21st. And this assignment is worth 100 points. So how do you get to the independent learning? Now this has been in Schoology. Some of you have actually kind of done a little bit of this, but now we're all going to do it together this week. So we're going to click on this slide right here where it says click here. So we're going to click there, and you're going to see that it says Google Docs, and you're going to click on that, and here it is. And so my picture here is kind of in the way. I'll just move it over here. I guess I'll do it. Well, I'm on the flag. We'll just move it over here. That's fine. Okay, so you have all of these wonderful things that you can learn about. Hardware, software. If you click here on Chrome apps, it takes you to all of these different things. These are all apps that you can use on your Chromebook. We're going to go back to the other slide though. And I'm going to come back over here. So these are all the different things. You've got coding, 3D modeling, augmented and virtual reality, building apps and websites, audio production, video and photography, graphic design, geo-info systems. This is a link right here that you can click on that takes you to some more detailed explanations. Some of you have already explored that, so you can kind of see what's involved in the different ones. It gives you an overview of all of that. If you wanted to say, well, I'm not sure which one I want to do, what I'm supposed to do, you can go that direction. Or you can just say, well, I want to know more about audio production. So you're going to click on audio production, and it's going to take you to this course. And there's some different things that you can do. Some of them, because another teacher made this, doesn't necessarily work for us. The Museum in a Box is one that I'm still trying to figure out how to make work for us. But I would just focus on audio production, podcasting, and then audio production, music creation. Both of those are really a lot of fun. So I would just click on this link, and then move my video up here. You can see, sometimes you just click and it takes you another slide. That's just a picture, but this is a video. This is all about podcasting, so you're going to learn about music production and podcasting with Soundtrap. So there are tutorials, storytellers, planning a podcast, Adobe Audition, just a lot of different things that you can do. And the expectations for this one is to do the Soundtrap Studio tutorials, create your own background music track 1 to 2 minutes in length, and conduct an interview 1 to 2 minutes on a topic you pick. You can create a podcast, and then make the jump to Adobe Audition. So you're going to start out with the resources. You click on Soundtrap's tutorials, and then they are here, and then you just kind of start and go through it. You're going to keep a record of your learning every day by using these slides right here. So this is an example slide. It's going to be laid out the same way. You're going to have a picture where you put your screenshot. You're going to say, today I was able to, so describe what you learned today and were able to do. And what I need to do is add this. Always use, how about we do this? Always write in complete sentences. See, now look, I just made mistakes. How do I fix that? I know that complete sentences, I don't even know how to say that, isn't going to work. So I right click, and of course my picture is in the way there, but I right click and it says, did you mean complete? Well, yes I did. Click on that and change it. Did you mean sentences? I did. So now I don't have any of those weird little squiggly lines that tell me something is wrong. So now I can go back and revise and edit. Always write in complete sentences with correct spelling and grammar. And pull that up here. And another mistake. Fix it. There you go. And then if you want to change the color of something, I know you guys are pretty savvy about this kind of stuff. I'm going to make that bright yellow so it really stands out. And I only need to put that one time. I don't need to put it on every single box because we all understand that if I ask you to write in complete sentences with correct grammar and spelling, I mean every time you write anywhere on this whole assignment. Okay, so you're going to describe your successes and struggles that you had in East in your independent study course. Please don't tell me about what happened in math or science or soccer practice or any of that. It's only for this independent study, of course. Describe in detail what you are going to do tomorrow in East in your independent study course. And then when you put your screenshot here, make sure that you describe in detail what we're seeing in the picture. It must be a screenshot of something you did in learning a new skill in your East Independent Study course. It is not just something random that you did somewhere else. It's only related to this assignment. So you're going to have a slide for each day, and I went ahead and threw in the dates for you. And side note, I used Canva to create this image. So now you can do the same thing that we did with your Instagram and with your vision boards. Click on that box, then you can go to replace image, and then your screenshots will probably be in your drive. Click drive and add your screenshot. So it'll be really easy to do. And then you're going to fill out these boxes here. Tuesday is the same, Wednesday is the same, Thursday is the same, Friday. And then you're going to have a summary. So give me some highs and lows. Right here, replace this image with an accomplishment from this week's independent learning course in East, and then describe it here. Describe a struggle that you had to overcome, that's a low, and describe a success or a high that you had. Now, you may not finish your course this week. You may finish one and move on to another. These slides are not necessarily just limited to only one course. That's why up here it doesn't really say what your course is that you're doing. However, now that I think about it, that probably would be important to put on here. So what should we do? Let's, I'm going to move my little box here, and I'm going to change this. And I'm going to insert text. You know what would be easier is just copy this and then paste it. And now I have 2. And we'll just fix this right here. See, it's fun when you're just thinking along with me, isn't it? Okay, So we're going to change this to course, and we'll just do this. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to replace what I have written with name, and I want you to put the course name here. And you can see as I'm moving it around, see how these red lines are here? That's telling me that it's lined up just the way I want it. All right. That way I'll know what course that you're working on. All right. So, you know, that's how projects go. Sometimes we really have to talk them through out loud. And that's when I find a lot of the mistakes and the things I want to fix when I can hear it in my own ear. And then I can see right here that there's something. I don't know what that is. Well, I'll fix it. Anyway, that's what I want you to do. And I think you're going to have a lot of fun learning all about East. You've got all these really cool things that you can learn. And then on the next slide, you've got all these different Chrome apps that you can use to help you be successful with some digital stuff, so that hopefully we can get back in the classroom together and you will have an opportunity to try out a lot of these skills with our new equipment that's coming in. So I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I think I cut myself off. I will see you guys in class. Bye.